Question 2, Part D. A radio transmitter, M, is situated 6 kilometers from a straight road. The closest point on the road to the transmitter is S. A car is traveling away from S along the road at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The distance from the car to S is X kilometers and from the car to M is R kilometers. Find an expression in terms of X for dr dt where t is time in hours. This is a related rates of change problem. We can express dr dt in terms of dr dx and dx dt using the chain rule. So dr dt is equal to dr dx times dx dt. Now the car is traveling along the road marked with x here on the triangle. So dx dt represents the rate of change of the distance along x with respect to time. And in this case, that represents the speed of the car. So dx dt is equal to 100. The bulk of the work though is in working out dr dx. Now we have a right angled triangle and we can express r in terms of x using Pythagoras theorem. So r is equal to the square root of 6 squared plus x squared, and 6 squared is 36. So that equals 36 plus x squared in brackets to the power of half. And converting the surd into index form is necessary for the next step, which involves differentiating r with respect to x. So using the chain rule, again, since we have a function of a function, dr dx is equal to half times 36 plus x squared in brackets to the power of negative half multiplied by the derivative of what's inside the brackets. In other words, the derivative of the outer function multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. So we multiply that by 2x. Now the half times 2x is equal to x, so dr dx is equal to x times 36 plus x squared in brackets to the power of negative half. Now I've stated earlier that dx dt represents the speed of the car, which is 100 kilometers an hour. So now we can find dr dt in terms of x. So going back to our related rates of change expression or equation here, we have dr dt is equal to dr dx, which we have here, multiplied by dx dt, which is 100. So x times 36 plus x squared in brackets to the power of negative half times 100 is equal to 100x over the square root of 36 plus x squared kilometers per hour when expressed in surd form.